Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting topics in the field of technology, artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that has been transforming the way we live and work. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is already making a significant impact on our daily lives. In this video, we will dive deep into what AI is, how it works, and its impact on society. Part 1. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI systems are designed to learn, adapt, and improve over time, allowing them to perform complex tasks with high levels of accuracy and speed. Part 2. How does AI work? AI systems work by processing vast amounts of data through complex algorithms that can identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. Machine learning is one of the most common techniques used in AI, where algorithms are trained on large datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, uses neural networks to simulate the human brain's behavior, allowing AI systems to recognize complex patterns and make decisions based on them. Part 3. Impact of AI on society. AI has already had a significant impact on society, and its potential for future transformation is enormous. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and improve patient outcomes. In education, AI-powered chatbots are being used to assist students with their studies, while in finance, AI algorithms are being used to detect fraud and improve investment decisions. However, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on society. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement, as AI-powered machines and robots can perform tasks that were previously done by humans. There are also concerns about privacy and security, as AI systems are collecting vast amounts of data on individuals, raising questions about who owns and controls that data. In conclusion, AI is a transformative technology that is already making a significant impact on our daily lives. While there are concerns about the impact of AI on society, the potential benefits are enormous. As we continue to develop and improve AI systems, it is essential to consider the ethical implications of this technology and ensure that it is used to benefit society as a whole. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.